grants, collateral.
MSME sectors are the boom of the era. Prime Minister Narendra Modi always trying to encourage MSME sectors and startups. But the main problem of the MSME sector and the startups are the funds. No one is ready to provide funds for startups and as well as in MSME sectors. But banks are giving the hope of light for MSMEs. 99% of the enterprises are under MSMEs. Around 500 crore is the annual turnover of the country coming from MSME sector. Northeastern region is in the leading position regarding the mudra loans. Banks are now considering the savings account transactions to provide loans for the startups and MSMEs. The representatives of national and private banks said all this in a program or seminar organized by MCCI in Kolkata.
So startup in the country, number of startups, registered startups. So in the eastern region, number of registered startups are very low. So not lagging. The registered startups numbers are least. The way you move, see, startup is what idea. If you have idea, you are a startup. Whether you want to, you are able to get your funding without going into that route. Fine, not the leading. I think probably we are leading in Mudra loan. But in geography, Mudra loan, we are leading. Geography is leading.
Eastern region.
Yes, Eastern region. No, suppose that person was not running, like an organized also, but at least he was doing business, like as he rightly said, and other banks also. Like savings bank transactions are also considered as his cash part of
get funding at very competitive rate, and you will get fund either same day or maximum by next working day. And government emphasized that by 2025, the contribution of manufacturing in the GDP may reach by 25%. But you are surprised to know, because this state having the lots of manufacturing unit, but still only one state, that is Tamil Nadu, reached 25% contribution in manufacturing in the GDP. Despite of all these enablers, there is a credit gap of around 30 lakh crore for this segment. And the reason behind awareness, lack of awareness. Few may be aware, but all are not aware. And UCO Bank is conducting credit outreach program across the country.
like a medium. Each time we come to this room and discuss.
Banks are giving loans only on the basis of 4 papers, not more than that. Private banks are also eagerly waiting for giving loans to MSMEs and startups to build the country in a
Usually from last 18 months, and total overall in the country are MSME and the startup book size, and with this small funding, total book size is over 6.5 lakh crore. That is still this uniqueness with the HDFC Bank and what we can do for the society. More than 7 lakh of MSMEs are there. 7 crore of MSMEs is there. And if we consider one MSME, there is at least 4 employment generation in single business. So total is 28 to 30 crore employment has been generated from the per business. HDFC Bank will 100% digitalized a single day with a 4 document. One document is KYC, second document is GST return, third is your bank statement and application form. That's all. We don't want any document.
You are having your some property, land. Go and offer your land as a security, not as a security for sale. That offer. Why you are going for CGTMSC by paying hefty amount of. If you are not having, go purchase. It is a choice of upon you. You people have to decide. But it is just my suggestion. Save your each penny. 2 and 2.5% is much more.